this morning that the flames had then died down. We were hopeful that that was the end of it. And, less than 5% of what it was at its peak, hoping that it would be extinguished. And then here we are again this afternoon, shortly after 12, just back up flaring. And we're taking another live look out here. This is right next to the power plant, and you can just see the smoke, the toxic smoke billowing into the air. Winds were going to shift, and how that was going to have a direct impact on what we thought was an extinguished fire. And now we have, yet again, flames and smoke billowing up into the air. And as we saw from Felix's camera, just possibly heading down the valley already, just outside of what looks like the evacuation zone.
Yeah, Lauren, I'm speechless, as is our county leaders and state leaders who were just at a press conference where we were learning that this fire was all but out. And it's, you can see behind me, this is clearly not the situation, as this fire again has erupted over here at the Vistra Energy power plant. I've said it before, it clearly looks worse than what I was witnessing last night, throughout the night, as we were posted up right outside one of the entrances to the Vistra power plant right off of Dolan Road. We're literally about 200 yards from that facility, and we just had to get out of there, one, because we were being told to. It was this evacuation, and we were on private property, and then obviously under the safety concerns and health risk that might be associated with this huge plume of smoke that is billowing into the air. I mean, keep in mind, this is a battery energy storage facility, lithium ion batteries. Who knows what's in that plume of smoke? Toxins, heavy metals. But we do know that apparently preliminary tests taken last night and this morning show that there were low levels of concentration and that it did not pose a severe risk to the outlying communities. But obviously, we don't know enough information. They're doing more tests, as they should be doing, and not until we learn more about possibly if the toxicity of this plume of smoke, the contents, and the danger that people could be exposed to it, this mandatory evacuation order will remain in place for surrounding areas of Moss Landing. And as we were told this morning, that zone roughly impacted about 1,200 people in and around the Moss Landing area who have been impacted by this mandatory evacuation from the fire that we thought was out at 5 and then early this morning. But again,